In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable microphone in Google Docs. Turning on voice typing is quick, and by the end, you'll be speaking your text directly into a document. We'll make sure you're using the right browser, open the file you need, switch on the voice typing tool, allow access to your mic, and start dictating with confidence. First, use a supported browser. Google Docs voice typing works best in Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Safari. Open your browser's latest version for the smoothest results. Older versions or unsupported browsers can cause the microphone button to be missing or unresponsive. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable since voice input is processed online. Next, open your document, go to Google Docs, sign in if needed, and open the file where you want to use the microphone. You can also start a blank document if you're beginning fresh. Now turn on voice typing. At the top of Docs, click Tools, then choose Voice Typing. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, press Ctrl plus Shift plus S on Windows or Command plus Shift plus S on a Mac. A small microphone panel will appear on the left side of your document, ready for you. It looks like a small floating window you can drag if it's in the way. Time to activate the microphone. Click the microphone icon in that panel. When it's listening, you'll typically see the icon change color, indicating it's recording. Click it again anytime you want to pause. When your browser prompts you for permission, choose Allow so Google Docs can use your microphone. You usually only need to do this once. If you accidentally block access, you can adjust the site permission in your browser and try again. Start speaking clearly at a natural pace, and you'll see your words appear in the document automatically. For best accuracy, speak in a quiet space and keep the microphone at a steady distance. You can say punctuation like period or comma if your language settings support it, and you can always pause, fix a word by typing, then click the mic to continue. You can also say new line or new paragraph to control spacing if it's available for your language. If nothing appears, make sure the mic is not muted and confirm the correct input device is selected on your computer. That's all it takes to enable and use the microphone in Google Docs. You're ready to dictate notes, draft emails, or capture ideas hands-free. If this tutorial helped, give it a like and subscribe for more practical Google Docs tips and tutorials.